My school name is Holy Kids School. I read in class 3. My favorite teacher, all teacher. My favorite best friend, all best friend. My favorite subject, all subject. My favorite fruit, mango and watermelon. My hobby is singing and reading. With these few lines, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Respected chairman sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friend. Today I am going to speak a few lines of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the great leader, politician, and freedom fighter. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. He was the first Prime Minister of independent India. His father's name was Motilal Nehru and his mother's name was Swarup Rani. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day all over India. He was greatly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and joined the freedom movement. He received his education in England and returned to India in 1912. He was very fond of children, that's why children lovingly called him Chacha Nehru. And he died on 27th May 1964. With these few lines, I would like to conclude my short speech. Thank you.